What are TikTok Shop hunting tools? TikTok Shop hunting tools are specialized platforms or software that help sellers discover trending and high performing products to sell on TikTok Shop. These tools analyze viral content, hashtags, influencer activity, and real time product data to identify what's currently in demand. The goal is to help sellers hunt for winning products before they saturate the market, maximizing sales potential and minimizing risk. Using Helium 10, sellers can enhance their product hunting strategy by combining TikTok trend data with deep e-commerce insights. Helium 10's tools, such as Black Box and X-Ray, allow sellers to filter products by sales volume, competition level, and profit margins. By validating viral TikTok items with reliable data, sellers can confidently select products that have both social momentum and strong financial potential. Many top TikTok shop sellers use a mix of viral trend tracking and Helium 10 analytics to find the next big product. They monitor trending hashtags, viral challenges, and creator content, then use Helium 10 to evaluate demand and long-term viability. This hybrid approach ensures every product choice is backed by both social buzz and market data. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to expert product hunting tools that help you research, validate, and grow your TikTok shop business with confidence and precision.